I know that it seems like half joking about the future of being everything wireless and it being a couple months out. I'd be curious from you, Tom, like how far are we from that vision? Is this something that, is going to happen in the next decade? Where do you think we are on this like technology curve of true wireless being more widespread throughout industry? Or is this something that's widespread already?
I wouldn't say that it's widespread, but I would say that in 10 years, we're going to see a significant change. Just imagine an industrial plant with one gateway, and you can decide where you want to place any sensor within that plant, within 1 kilometer radius. That would definitely make things ubiquitous. And yes, at that point, we'll be able to sensor up and provide data on almost anything.
All right. Sounds like future's going to be here over the next 10 years or sooner.
I jokingly said a couple months, but it may take a few years. But there'll be continuous progress along the way.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.